Hi, my name is Andy. A few years ago, I had no roadmap, no mentor, no idea how to turn my cybersecurity and cloud skill into actual income. Today, I have delivered over 1 million in freelancing work across Upwork, Fiverr, Pro, with over 13,000 hours logged and 200 plus successful projects. But I didn't figure it out alone. I learned by trial and error, and it took time. That's why I created that mentorship program to help people like you avoid wasting months or years trying to guess the next step. If you are a student or a new grade or someone just feeling stuck in IT, I'll walk you through how to build a real world skill, how to position yourself on freelancing platform, and how to map out a clear, flexible career in cybersecurity or cloud. You didn't need a degree. You don't need to be an expert. You just need a real mentor who done it and can show you how. Book a free 15 minutes call. Let's talk about where you are now and where you want to go. No pressure, no fluff, just real advice from someone who been your shoes before and happy to help you. Thank you.